Hello friends, today I am going to unbox my new Sony SRS XV13. It's a wireless speaker and here are some features, and you can see it's extra bass, and we all know that Sony sound system is always good in the world. And we can see here there are some features like a IP67 category for the waterproof and 16 hours of battery backup with one single charge, and it has also USB-C, and it's navy blue color. So let's open it. At the beginning there are some documentation from Sony. As we know that there are some user guide, setup manual, and the guarantee information, worldwide guarantee. These are the documents, and also the technical specifications books, and this is the desired product. So let's bring it, and inside the box there is only one cable. It's USB type C from Sony branded. Okay, so this is the main thing. Let's uncover it. Wow, it's a very nice finishing from Sony, and it's pure navy blue. And it's not so heavy, so it's a portable, you can carry everywhere to enjoy your music. So if you are a music lover, you can always carry it in your bag. And the ribbon also has the Sony brand, and here are the physical keys like the power button, Bluetooth pairing button, music play, pause, volume rocker, and under the bottom these are the technical specifications, and you can see the manufacturer and the European importer address, details, and model. So, and here you can see on the top there is the whole speaker covering with a metal net, and inside we can see there is a woofer. So that's it. See you in next video. Until then, bye.